Welcome to a new era of renewable energy in Mexico. Goldbeck Solar has completed the construction of the new solar plant in the state of San Luis Potosi in Mexico. What makes it special is that the plant is equipped with trackers and bifacial panels. The construction of this new type of plant took 2 months, covers 3 hectares of land and is located in the Bahia region, which has perfect climatic conditions for solar electricity production. The Autodromo project, as the plant is also called because of its proximity to the racetrack, located very close to it, was built with state-of-the-art technology and first-class quality. The plant has an installed capacity of 554 kilowatt peak and supplies up to 1,358 megawatt per year. This type of open-field solar projects close to industrial companies represents the new concept that Goldbeck Solar from Germany now offers to the Mexican industry.